My name is Nina Soto. My role here at CVR is Senior Physician Liaison for the Bensalem-Horsham territory. A physician liaison is the individual that represents the physician in everything they do, dealing with the patients, going out, speaking with other physicians for physician referral business. I've been with CVR going on 5.5 years now. What brought me to CVR was a position for a community outreach coordinator. What attracted me about the position was I already had experience in that role for United Healthcare. However, it was dealing with children with the CHIP program, Children's Health Insurance Program of Pennsylvania. This was on a larger scale as far as, gathering all kinds of patients from all walks of life with serious venous insufficiency diseases. So I really wanted to help people. I left CVR for another opportunity that included advancement, which was for a director of sales position with another company. What drew me back to CVR was the fact that I felt more confident in this company than I did for the company that I left CVR for. What made me feel more confident about CVR was, in fact, the leadership and just trusting the people that I worked with and the relationships that were built here. Mm-hmm. So I definitely was more confident with that. So what brought me back here, of course, was the leadership, starting with Dr. Lack and Paul. He's, a great physician. He's a great businessman. He has a very good business acumen, and I trust his decisions. Also, the individuals that I had worked with throughout my career here. So working alongside of Vinny, John, and Jessica, who oversees the sales department. Just trusting their judgment. They've always supported me in my role here. So I definitely wanted to come back home. Yeah, definitely. So I appreciated the culture here. It's very strong. It's very, family orientated. Everybody here, gets along with each other. There's a lot of respect. Issues do get addressed when they're brought to the forefront, which I appreciate. When I went to the other company that I left for, which I would mention was a vein company as well, I didn't see that there. I saw that there were some cracks in their structure. And I didn't feel secure. So I wanted to come back to, the stability and security that I felt here at Center for Vein Restoration. My rehire experience was great. It was easy, like I never even left. So I definitely would want my fellow CVR, colleagues to know that my experience here at CVR has been great. It's been very rewarding as well. Hard work does get rewarded and recognized. I've been able to work in different roles, so that's been awesome. Coming in as a community outreach coordinator, learning all the aspects of that role, then moving on to a senior physician liaison and also regional sales director have allowed me the opportunity to grow with the company, which has been very fulfilling for me, and learning all the aspects of what the company entails. And of course, working along great colleagues who bring a wealth of knowledge and experience, has also been phenomenal for me. Yeah, there's definitely growth opportunities here, which is also something that I appreciated again when I left, thinking of all these different things. You like I mentioned, hard work does get rewarded and brought to the forefront. So somebody can come in and have the ability to advance. And that's, you don't get that at many places. Some people stay stuck in the same position for many, many years. So the fact that that you're able as an employee to grow here, um, and be a part of this amazing team, it says a lot. Yeah, so I would describe being a part of CVR to somebody on the outside as being, a great company with great culture, great colleagues, definitely room for advancement, growth, learning opportunities. They really help you to develop professionally. So I would encourage anyone to want to apply for a role with Center for Vein Restoration.